Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to download ringtones from Zedge. Also, I wonder why you want to download ringtones from Zedge. Maybe because you want a new ringtone for your mobile phone, or maybe you have heard a ringtone on someone's mobile and you really liked it, and now you want to set that ringtone on your mobile. So that's why you're looking for it. Or maybe there's any other reason for you. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to click on the Zedge icon and the app will open. Then you will see its interface. On the top, as you can see, it is written wallpapers and we are here for ringtones. So we have to get to the ringtone section. So for that, you have to click on these three lines and after that you can see we have few options. From these options, you have to select the fourth option, which is ringtone. Just simply click on it and then we will get the ringtones. So here on the top, as you can see, it is written ringtones. That means we are at the right place. The first we get the feature ones and then we get the popular collection and after that we get the popular. If you click any one of these, the collection will open and then you can listen to any one of these. If you go to the popular ones, if you want to like download any one of these, first you have to listen it, and if you like it then you can download it. So to listen you have to click on that sound and then it will play, and if you really liked it you can download it, otherwise you can skip it or can move it to the other. So here when I click on a sound it starts playing. I could listen it and if I like it I can download it. So if you click on categories you will get different genres of the ringtones. So if you want to select any one of these, you will click on it and then you will get sounds related to it. Here we have the premium ones. These are the paid ones. We have to pay to listen to them. And if you're looking for a specific sound that you didn't find in this, then you have to click on this search bar and then you have to type for that sound. You could type its genre and whatever you like, you can type it. So here I searched for the Samsung and there I got different options. I clicked on ringtone and then I got all the ringtones that are related to Samsung, or these are Samsung ringtones. You could listen it and if you like it you can download it, and if you don't like it you can just skip or you can listen to any one of the others. There are hundreds and thousands of ringtones. You can listen to any one of these and if you like it you can download it. So I really liked it and now I want to download it. So for that what I will do is I click on this option and then I will get few options. First I can set as my ringtone, I can set it as my notification sound, I can set it as my alarm, or I can set it as for a specific contact number, or maybe I can download it to my media folder. From my media folder I can then use it, can share it and can do whatever I want to do. So when I click on the last option it will take a while and after that this tune will be downloaded into my media folder. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can download the ringtones from Zedge. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.